As a stock analyst at Whiteage, my focus is on providing research analysis of stocks to assist investors in making informed decisions. While I may not hold certifications or registrations, my dedication is to staying updated on market trends. Leveraging my expertise in data analysis and market research, I offer comprehensive report and recommendations to individual investor goals and risks. My goal is to provide actionable information and support to help investors navigate the complexities of the stocks markets efficiently.
TCPL prioritizes its established brands like Tata Tea, Tetley, Tata Salt, and Tata Sampann. They invest in these brands to strengthen their market position. TCPL looks beyond core products, introducing new offerings like Tata Q, healthy snacks, and Nourishco, health-focused beverages, to cater to evolving consumer preferences. They strive to expand their reach in both domestic and international markets, with a strong focus on the USA, UK, and Canada for their tea and coffee portfolio. TCPL has a robust network to deliver products to millions of households across India and international markets through millions of retailers. They leverage their own manufacturing facilities along with third-party centers to ensure product quality and availability. TCPL focuses on responsible procurement of raw materials. They prioritize customer education regarding nutrition and well-being, aiming to create a positive impact beyond just selling products. They contribute to social causes aligned with their values. Tata Consumer Products is an Indian multinational fast-moving consumer goods company and a part of the Tata Group. It is the world's second-largest manufacturer and distributor of tea and a major producer of coffee. Formerly known as Tata Global Beverages Limited, TGBL, Tata Consumer Products was formed when the consumer products business of Tata Chemicals merged with Tata Global Beverages in February 2020. The company now operates in the food and beverages industry, with 75% of their revenue coming from India while the rest is from their international businesses. After the merger, the company controls Indian and international brands like Tata Salt, Tata Tea, Tetley, 8 O'Clock Coffee, Good Earth Tea, Tata Sampann, Himalayan Water and Tata Starbucks. Tata Tea is the biggest selling tea brand in India. Tetley is the biggest selling tea brand in Canada and the second biggest selling in the United Kingdom and the United States. History: in 1983, Tata Tea bought a stake belonging to the James Finley Group to form the individual entity Tata Tea. In the same year, the company decided to move from the commodities business to consumer branding. The first brand Tata Tea was introduced. In spite of being the largest market in the world, the concept of branded tea took time to be accepted. In 1987, Tata Tea set up a fully owned subsidiary, Tata Tea Incorporated, in the United States. In the 1990s, Tata Tea decided to take its brands into the global markets. It formed an export joint venture with Britain's Tetley Tea in 1992. Other new enterprises included a majority interest in Consolidated Coffee Limited, Tata Coffee Limited, and a joint venture to manage agricultural estates in Sri Lanka. Consolidated revenue growth of 9%, reaching 8% in constant currency. Growth was observed across all businesses, with the compound annual growth rate, CAGR, over 4 years at 11%. Tea volume growth stood at 2%, while India beverages grew by 8%. Nourishco experienced exceptional growth at 34%, contributing to a 41% growth over 9 months. India Foods saw a 5% increase in volumes and a 13% revenue rise, with Tata Sampann growing at an impressive 40% year-on-year. International business recorded 11% revenue growth, with a significant 23% growth in EBIT. India's growth businesses surged by 42%, now constituting 17% of the total businesses. Consolidated EBITDA increased by 26%, expanding margins by 190 basis points. Merger and acquisitions. Merger of Tata Coffee effective as of January 1st, with integration processes ongoing. Acquisition of Capital Foods completed. Integration in progress, and expected to be finalized soon. Front-end integration for Capital Foods in Organic India significantly advanced, with the focus now shifting to organization and back-end integration. Business segments performance. India Beverages witnessed 2% volume and 8% revenue growth. India Foods reported 5% volume and 13% revenue growth, highlighting Tata Sampan's strong quarter at 40% growth. Nourish Co achieved 34% revenue growth, aiming for INR 900 to 1,000 crores for the full year. Tata Coffee demonstrated a robust 44% growth in plantations, contributing to a 3% revenue growth overall. Financial overview. Consolidated revenue grew by 11% over 9 months, with India's business leading at 12% growth. EBITDA margin expanded by 25%, with India's business contributing 17% growth. International business recorded a 23% growth in EBITDA. Integration and restructuring. Integration of Capital Foods was completed swiftly, while Organic India integration is progressing and expected to conclude within 45 to 60 days. The simplification agenda was initiated with restructuring efforts in Tata Coffee India, to be followed by international businesses' focus on legal, tax, and managerial efficiency through a simplification agenda. Analyzing a company's business model alongside its market growth offers valuable insights. Here's how we can approach Tata Consumer Products Limited, TCPL, through this lens. Focus on innovation. By introducing new products like Tata Q and Nourish Co, TCPL caters to growing demand for health-conscious options. This keeps them relevant and expands their market reach. Brand strength and recognition. TCPL's established brands like Tata Tea and Tata Salt hold a strong position in the Indian market. This brand loyalty translates to consistent sales and a solid customer base. Distribution network and efficiency. Their robust distribution network ensures product availability across a broad market. Efficient manufacturing keeps costs controlled, allowing for competitive pricing. Market expansion strategy. TCPL's focus on international markets like the USA and Europe aligns with the projected growth of the global packaged food market. Innovation for evolving preferences. Their diversification into health and wellness products caters to the growing demand for healthier food options, a significant trend in the food and beverage industry. Competition. The packaged food industry is highly competitive. TCPL might need to constantly innovate and adapt their marketing strategies to stay ahead. Dependence on established brands. While their core brands are strong, over-reliance on them could limit future growth. Continued product diversification can mitigate this risk.